Hello! Today I want to enjoy myself, so I'm going to make some tuna croquettes that take just 10 minutes to prepare and turn out amazing. You can make them without frying if you want, so it's all advantages. And also, later you'll tell me, what sauce would you like to try them with the most? First, drain the liquid from the tuna or bonito you'll use. Here, I'm using 2 cups of plain tuna. So I press a little with a spoon in my freshly washed hands to remove as much liquid as possible. On the other hand, I take a large egg, size L, and place it in a big bowl. I add salt to taste, and this is where the magic begins. Garlic powder, a good amount that gives it an amazing and fantastic kick of flavor. I'm also gonna add a little bit of parsley, and now let's mix it all together. Let's beat the egg, both the white and the yolk, until you get that typical liquid, just like if you were making an omelet. Now add the bonito or tuna straight from the cans. And remember, squeeze out the liquid so it's nice and dry. Mix it with the same fork, and little by little, you'll start to get a kind of paste. Do it like this in turns, so it gets pasty and you don't have any problems. Then you give it some thickness with breadcrumbs. You can add 2 or 3 tablespoons. My trick is to add 2 pretty big ones, mix, and if I still see it's a bit wet, I add 1 more. That way, I never overdo it. Come on, let's mix it well, since this is already pretty much smooth, so we mash it with the fork. And when you have a manageable dough, it's ready. Freshly washed hands. We form little balls if you want them round, or elongated croquettes if you want the classic shape. And they're ready to cook. Keep in mind that they can be cooked in many different ways. I really like to pour a good amount of great oil into a non-stick pan and brown them on all sides. But you could fry them in a classic fryer, or in an air fryer, or directly in the oven. So all the options work well for you. And a promise is a promise. So pan over medium-high heat and a good drizzle of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I lower the heat to medium and start adding the croquettes we just prepared. It's that easy and that simple. And what's my trick so they're not completely soaked and they turn out tasty, crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside? Well, the trick is to turn them from time to time when the side facing down starts to brown. I just flip them, it's that easy. And then I keep repeating the process until they're golden brown all over. At that point, we're going to take them out. Look how good this looks. Oh my goodness. And onto a little plate, because with these amounts, we have the croquettes ready. You see, we get 6 croquettes perfectly, so if you want 12 croquettes, just double the amount, and that's it. Look how good they look. A fantastic little plate that we've made with almost no effort, and they turn out incredible. Golden on the outside and juicy on the inside. Delicious. Look at how amazing this looks. Oh my, this is so tasty. Perfectly golden, juicy, and with that delicious tuna flavor. A true wonder that we all love. Look, delicious. I love them, and I hope you do too. This dipped in a sauce is a real pleasure. So I hope you'll tell me down below what sauce you're going to dip it in. Mayonnaise, pink sauce, garlic sauce, ketchup. Anyway, tell me because I want to learn with you. And also tell me, where are you watching the video from? I'll provide the list of ingredients and quantities I use so you can easily make it at home. And this video? Thanks Pintaza. Click the box and enjoy. How am I going to keep enjoying it? Very good.